Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with Essentials. Confirm your Ubuntu version and free disk space because Docker needs kernel support and storage. Once done, run apt update and install Ka certificates, curl, GNU-PG, LSB release so you can securely add Docker's repo. Then import Docker's GPG key and add the official repository, making future updates reliable. Finally, install Docker C, Docker CLI, and Containered. This sequence ensures the engine and runtime are present and signed, preventing version conflicts down the line. You should now configure Docker for daily use. Add your user to the Docker group so you can run commands without sudo, log out and back in to apply the change. Next, pull an image, for example Ubuntu, latest, and run it interactively to inspect the environment. Make sure to map volumes for persistent data and publish ports when services are involved. This gives you reproducible containers and decouples host state from ephemeral container file systems, critical for development and deployment. You finish by orchestrating and maintaining containers. Create a Docker Compose. YAML to define services, networks, and volumes, then Docker Compose upd to run the stack in the background. Periodically clean unused images, containers, and volumes with Docker system, prune commands to reclaim disk space. If something fails, immediately check Docker logs for the container, use Docker inspect for configuration details, and verify the Docker daemon with systemctl status Docker. One key tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.